Unlocking the secrets of generally speaking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very common but intriguing phrase, generally speaking. This phrase is a staple in both written and spoken English, and understanding it can significantly enhance your communication skills. So, let's get into it and explore what, generally speaking, truly means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Generally speaking is a phrase that's often used to introduce a statement or opinion that applies in most cases but not necessarily in all of them. It's a way of saying that what follows is a generalization that holds true much of the time, though there might be exceptions. This phrase helps speakers to soften their statements, making them less absolute and acknowledging that there are always outliers or exceptions to the rule. To truly grasp how, generally speaking, works in real-life conversations and writing, let's look at some examples. 1. Generally speaking, Canadians are very polite. This statement suggests that most Canadians tend to be polite, but it leaves room for the fact that not every single Canadian may fit this description. 2. Generally speaking, eating a balanced diet is beneficial for your health. Here, the phrase indicates that for most people, a balanced diet is good for health, though it might not apply in every single case due to individual health conditions or dietary needs. By using generally speaking, the speaker acknowledges the complexity of the world and avoids making overly broad statements that might not apply to everyone or every situation. Knowing when to use generally speaking can help you communicate more effectively and appear more thoughtful in your speech or writing. Here are some tips. Use it when you want to make a generalization about a group, situation, or concept, but you want to acknowledge that there are exceptions. It's particularly useful in discussions or debates to present your viewpoint while showing that you understand not everything is black and white. Avoid using generally speaking if you have precise data or facts that apply to all cases. In such situations, your statement can stand on its own without the need for qualification. Generally speaking is a handy phrase that allows you to make broad statements while acknowledging the nuances and exceptions in any situation. It's a mark of considerate communication, showing that you're thinking critically about what you say and how it applies to the world around you. We hope this video has shed some light on how and when to use generally speaking in your English conversations and writing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.